We're
Yeah,
just,
it's all
just a
good.
small circle of family and friends, except for Joey's recordings that could be broadcast throughout the world. But no, no, no. Ooh, fun.
A song written by Mikey Ayolake, taking you to one of Dane's favorite islands in the world.
Heck yeah. Yes, it is. I want that. Make sure you got that, Joey. Yes, it is.
It's Aloha Kauai. Mahalo very much. That's beautiful. Aloha Kauai. Mahalo. And that's how it works.
Thanks for that. That was awesome.
I also